Vlookup is a powerful Excel function that lets you look up a value in the first column of a table, and then Vlookup will return information from the row of the table where that value is found. This video shows you how to use an approximate match Vlookup. For an exact match Vlookup, the lookup value has to exactly match an item in the first column of the data table. For an approximate match Vlookup, the table must be sorted on the first column and has to be sorted in smallest to largest order. The lookup will then settle on the row where the largest value that is less than the lookup item. So if I enter an 82 as the score, it will look down this column until it finds the largest value that is still smaller than 82. In this case, that would be 80, and it would return a B- for the letter grade. Let's go ahead and build the approximate match Vlookup. I would start by entering a value into the cell holding our lookup variable, but we already have an 82 there. Let's go ahead and update that to 76. So as a 76, I would expect the result to be a C when we're finished. Now let's go down to the letter grade cell and enter our formula. So I'm going to click on C5 and start typing. Let's begin with an equal sign and then the word Vlookup. That's the name of our function, and an open parenthesis. Excel will give me a little help here and tell me what it's expecting. The first thing it wants is the lookup value, and that happens to be in our cell C3, so I'll just click on that and then enter a comma. The next thing it wants is our table array, or the data that it's going to be looking that up in, so I'll select that. And then I'll hit a comma. The third property will be the column index that it wants returned. This is not the column header at the top of the Excel window, but it's actually a column count starting with the lookup column. So in our case, this would be the lookup column where underscore, and then the second column would be letter grade. So what I want is a 2. And then the last parameter that it wants is this an approximate match or an exact match? And since it's an approximate match, we want a true. So I'll type that in and then close my parenthesis and hit enter. And you can see that it looked it up and found that 76 is a C. Here's my formula.